4. It is day 4. Hey guys, it's your day 4 of post, and today you should be working on editing scene 3. So I'm about to walk you through what you're going to accomplish today. So at this point, you should be 2/3 of the way done in your editing. So watch back what you have done. Scenes 1 and 2 from the last couple of days should be about, I don't know, 3 or 4 minutes long. Remember, your total, like the whole movie, is 5 to 7 minutes. So you should be at about the 3 to 4 minute mark. So once you walk it back and like watch and make adjustments, today you're going to focus on scene 3. So scene 3 only. Again, filters, colors, sound design, layout the footage. You know what you're doing, hopefully by now, because this is the third time that you've done it. Remember, decide, are you going to have the like title screen, black sort of like scene markers between each of your scenes? If you did between scene 1 and 2, you probably need another one for scene 2 and 3. And this is probably the most important day to do this. Check your story. Does it make sense? Does your meaning read? And most importantly, is there a resolution? You don't want to leave the audience on the edge of their seats in a bad way, because they're trying to figure out what the point or the purpose of your video was. So, is there a resolution? Make sure that resolution is clear. Make sure you convey the meaning that you want to convey using the materials that you have. So, you should be doing your last bit of scene editing today. Tomorrow I'll talk to you about finishing and like what to do at that point. So yeah, go forth, do this. I'm looking forward to seeing these guys. All right, have a great day.